Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the low beam headlamp bulb on an '05 Scion TC. And while the vehicle in the video is an '05 TC, some or all of this information may be applicable to later model TCs as well. Of course, always verify that this information is applicable to the vehicle that you're working on by doing your own research. Things to do before getting started: place the vehicle in park, apply parking brake, and turn vehicle off. Go ahead and open the hood and support the hood. And this procedure is going to be the same for both sides. Note that the low beam headlamp bulb is the outermost main bulb in the headlamp assembly on either side, and they are serviced through the back side of the headlamp assembly. The driver's side low beam bulb lives right here, and the passenger side low beam bulb lives right here. I'm going to start with the driver's side bulb, and then I'm going to move to the passenger side as I had a problem with the connector on the driver's side here. But what you're going to do is you're going to grab the back of the bulb and twist it counterclockwise, and it's keyed in there. So once you twist it counterclockwise so far, you can then pull the bulb right out with the connector. And I like to remove the bulb with the connector connected. It's easier to disconnect the connector with the bulb out of the socket. Unlock the connector by pushing in on the tab and disconnect the connector. At this point, if you had bulb grease, you could apply that to the pins of the connector, but be careful not to get the bulb grease on your hand or on the new bulb. Application of bulb grease not shown in the video. Part number for the new bulb is 9006. When installing the new bulb, use care not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Any grease or oil, no matter how minor, applied to the glass of the new bulb can significantly reduce the life of the bulb. Install the new bulb into the socket, pushing the bulb into the socket and then turning clockwise to lock the bulb in place. Reconnect your electrical connector, and you're pretty much done. Check for proper operation, of course. Folks, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll be happy to get to you if I can get to you. Also, please read the entire description of this video before you apply any of this knowledge. There may be some things I need to clarify. That's where I do that. And please read the disclaimer at the very end of it. Thank you again. Please like and subscribe.